welcome to Harrods in Dorchester. My name is Tessa and today I'm going to be showing you around this 2018 Peugeot 5008 GT line. It's currently done 13,018 miles with one previous keeper. It's got a DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity and it's fitted with cruise control and a speed limiter. Thank you for watching this short video on the Peugeot 5008. If you'd like to come and look at it yourself, we're down in London Road in Dorchester and our contact number is 01305 266 066.